we are going to learn different type of rectangles that are listed in SolidWorks. There are basically 5 types of rectangles. We will discuss all of them one by one. First of all, we discuss corner rectangle. We can draw the corner rectangle by the use of two corners that are diagonally opposite to each other in this way, and after that we will define them. We will define the length and breadth of the rectangle in this way, like this. And after that, the second type of rectangle is center rectangle. We can define or draw the rectangle using the center of the rectangle and the length and the width of the rectangle in this way, and we can find the length and width of the rectangle in this way. And the third type is 3-point corner rectangle. We can draw the 3-point corner rectangle in this way. The first 2 points defines the length of the rectangle and the third point defines the width of the rectangle in such a manner. The fourth one is 3-point center rectangle. The first 2 points of 3-point center rectangle defines the half of the length of the rectangle and the third point defines the length of the rectangle, and in such a manner we can draw fourth category of the rectangle. And the last category, that is nothing but a parallelogram. We can draw this in this manner, like this. Once we draw rectangle from the list in this manner, we have panel on the top left of the screen. In this panel we have rectangle type, existing relation, add relation, options and perimeters. Rectangle type is nothing but the type of rectangles that I mentioned earlier. Existing relation shows the relation the rectangle have. Add relation uses if we want to add relations to the rectangle. Options, in this option category we have for construction. When we click on the for construction, we can see that we can use the rectangle for construction purposes like this. And in the perimeters category, we have many boxes which shows the xy coordinate of all the corners of the rectangle.